Hello, good morning, children. What do you mean by civilization? Civilization means the stage of human life. It may be in the field of social and cultural development. How the people change from ancient India to the modern India. How there is changes. What are the developments? That we'll study in the lesson Ancient Civilization of India. Now, for the when the nomadic life became stable. How the nomadic life became stable. The nomadic means the people move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. So these people began to stay in particular place. That is how they became stable. People of those times used to dig shallow pits in soil and live in them. There were steps leading to the pits, and these were built in this manner in order to provide protection from cold weather and wild animals. We find earthen pots on inside and outside the pits. Where do you find these pits? In the site named Mehergarh near fertile plain of Bolan Pass, which leads to Iran. The people of Mehergarh were the first one to know that they had learned cultivation of barley and wheat crops and rearing of animals. This was the animal husbandry, how it began. This was the first village that come to our notice. People of Mehergarh lived in houses. Some of the houses had 4 or more rooms. Many of these sites had been discovered. Here, here, here we find the Bolan Pass's children in Pakistan, and here we start that's first village that has come to our notice. The first urbanization. The ancient cities of Harappa were discovered by the engineers while they were digging the railway lines. Railway lines which had been laid 150 years ago in the Sindh Valley near Punjab. Archaeologists took up research in this area, and they were convinced that this is they took research in this area. They convinced that it is the ancient city and called it as Harappan civilization. Now, what is the significance of this city? We can see two or more parts in the cities. The western part is narrow and elevated place, and it is known as citadel. Citadel is a place where we have the protection from all the sides, and this is also the fort. The eastern part is wide and at the lower level. We have two parts, western parts and the eastern parts. This is the bronze dancing girl. This is bronze culture, children. It is made in lost wax, casting about in the Indus Valley civilization cities of Mohenjo-daro. What is the lost wax? It is the process when the mold or the shape that has been created by means of wax. And once the mold is made, the wax model is melted and drained away. Now about the city Mohenjo-daro town. Mohenjo-daro is one of the city had water tank. The water tank was built of bricks so that there should not be leakage of water. And this bath tank also had the steps and rooms all around, and mostly people used to bathe in the pool on special occasion. This is the Mohenjo-daro bath tank, children, and these are the steps. And we also find priest king, the sculpture of priest king, torso of man, that is the heart of the man. Heart of the man. Torso means heart of the man. These are the about the first urbanization. When the nomadic life became stable, the people, those who are used to dig the pits and live in that, and we find them in first in that such villages in the Mehergarh. First urbanization, significance of the cities, bronze dancing girl, Mohenjo-daro town. This is the Mohenjo-daro town bath tank, and the sculpture we find in the town is the priest king, torso of man, that is heart of the man. Thank you, children.